Hello Crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I am coming on today with a quick Hobby Lobby haul. I just wanted to share with you a few things that I picked up at Hobby Lobby. This week the Halloween was 40% off and I had really wanted this twine. If you saw the shop with me video, I did share some of the Halloween aisle, and I was eyeing this, but it wasn't on sale when I went, so I went ahead and picked it up this week. And I just love the colors, especially that purple and gold and the black and gold. It's just really, really pretty. And like I said, it was 40% off, so I'm happy to have that. I did find some clearance gemstone basketballs. I thought those are really cute. I have a son that plays basketball, so I'll definitely incorporate this into some type of mini album for him, or some type of team treat, who knows. But it was only 29 cents, so I picked those up. And then I found these charms, and this was in the jewelry section. And they had basketball ones, baseball, and I think soccer. And I just picked up the baseball because I figured I could attach this to a baseball scrapbook. And I just love the bling. So I picked that up for 99 cents. And then I finally got some new cutting pads. So we're gonna see if all the die cutting tips that I gave you, if they work with these new cutting pads with the tips and tricks that I shared with you a few days ago. So I'm going to do the right thing with these cutting pads, and hopefully they'll last me a little bit longer. And I did use a 40% off coupon when I picked this up. And then I also picked up two of these faux leather sheets. They're $1.99, and I got two. I got this kind of like grayish sparkly color, and then the pink. I wanted to make some more bow tassels, so that's why I picked up two of these. And then the glitter paper was 50% off, so I did get purple. I figured this was really pretty for Halloween. And then I was watching Craft Purge Tony here on the YouTube. She had shared this paper, and I've picked this up before, but I figured it would be really pretty for a Halloween project. And I saw her haul it, so I was like, oh, I'll go ahead and pick a couple up because it was 50% off. So thank you, Tony, for sharing. And then last but not least, I did pick up these Greeting Farm stamps, and they are absolutely adorable. I picked up this one, and it's Brew It Anya, and she is absolutely super cute. I can't wait to ink her up. And then I also picked up this Merry Christmas stamp set. It's called Cozy With You, and I just loved all the little coffee cups and cocoa cups, and I just thought they were super cute, and I loved the little girl right there. And since I live in the South, I figured Merry Christmas Y'all was totally appropriate, even though I'm not originally from the South, but I just like the saying, so I went ahead and picked that up. So that is my quick haul for you today. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.